In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count words in Google Slides quickly and efficiently. Whether you're preparing a presentation and need to make sure you're meeting word count guidelines, or just curious about how much you've written, this simple method will help you keep track with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide or slides containing the text you wish to count. It could be a single text box or multiple ones scattered across different slides. Once you've located the text, select it by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. If you're dealing with several different sections across multiple slides, remember to hold down the Shift key as you click on each additional piece of text. This allows you to select non-contiguous text easily, ensuring nothing is left out. After you've highlighted all the desired text, it's time to copy it. This can be done quickly by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows device, or CMD+C if you're on a Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click the highlighted text and select Copy from the drop-down menu. The text is now on your clipboard and ready for the next step. With your text copied, open up Google Docs or any other word processor that you prefer. If you're already using Google Workspace, Google Docs is a convenient option that's easily accessible. Simply open a new document, and once you're in, paste your copied text. You can do this by clicking into the document and pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. You can also right-click and choose Paste from the options that appear. You should now see your text in the document, ready for analysis. Now, we get to the step where you find out the word count. In Google Docs, head over to the top toolbar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, you'll see Word Count. Go ahead and click it. For those who prefer shortcuts, you can quickly bring up the word count by pressing Ctrl+Shift+C on your keyboard. This action will display a window showing the total number of words, along with the number of pages, characters, and characters excluding spaces if needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly keep track of your word count in Google Slides using Google Docs. This method is not only efficient, but ensures you know exactly how much content you have to work with at any given time. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital applications. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!